cause that be natural.
Lady
I ain't
D.
looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo,
Yeah, I'm so nappy,
M.O.B.
cause that be
The
natural. I
infamous.
ain't looking tacky, cause I keep my game tactful.
I'm so pretty, I'm so fabu, I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo, stuck in these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is jersey on that cartoon, and I'm still on top.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Afros and Baby Hairs. And here are the products that I'm going to be using today, as well as some of the tools. So yeah, today I am starting off on already washed hair. I just took out my yarn braids and I washed my hair and I did a deep condition. So today we're going to go for some mini twists or medium twists and make sure that they're curly. So that's what we're going to be doing for this video. So right here I'm just spraying my hair with some warm water, making sure that I am getting some water onto those roots, and then I'm following up with some Cantu leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to repeat this on every section of my hair and like brush this through to make sure that it's properly distributed. So yeah, that's what we'll be doing in these upcoming clips. So now that we have applied the leave-in conditioner, I'm going to let this sit for about 10 minutes or so before I move on to the next product. But yeah, I did apply this to each section. So I'll see you in the next clip. So right here, we're gonna add this coconut curling cream to each section, and we're gonna brush that through as well. So that's what we're doing in this particular clip. It's just adding this coconut curling cream to each and every section and brushing it through. So now that we have added our cream to each and every section, we're going to go ahead and let this soak in for about 10 minutes as well before we move on to the greasing of the scalp and hair and the twisting process. So yeah. Alright guys, so now we're moving on to the Blue Magic Originals. I'm just going to grease my hair and scalp to make sure that we're locking in all of this moisture. You can use whatever oil or grease of choice, but I chose to use the Blue Magic Originals, and I think this one is the one with the shea butter, jojoba oil, and Japanese green tea leaves in it. So yeah, that's what we're doing on these clips. It's just oiling the scalp and hair and just combing it through. And once we're done, we're going to move on to the twisting portion. So yeah. So yeah, guys, right here I have already twisted majority of my hair. I am doing 3-strand twists and just pinching off what I want to twist and just twisting it up and making sure that I help define my ends. So that's what you'll see me doing in this particular clip. It's just 3-strand twisting my hair. So yeah, guys, this is the finished look. We got it all complete and all twisted. So if you do have some straggly ends, make sure that you add some perm rods to the ends. So yeah, guys, I do want to thank you all for stopping by today. I really appreciate your time and energy. I look forward to seeing you all on the next video. Peace and love. And as always, be blissful.
DJ Mike C on the track.
Cause that be natural.
Lady D.
Ain't looking tacky. I keep my